Do you know what your blood pressure numbers actually mean? Oh yeah, relax. I'm going to break it down for you free of charge. All right, let's go. First thing you need to note is that blood pressure is measured with an instrument called sphygmomanometer and a stethoscope, and it is measured in millimeters of mercury. Okay. Secondly, blood pressure has two numbers, the one at the top and the one at the bottom. The one at the top is called the systolic pressure, which is the pressure when the heart pumps blood out of the heart. The down one is called the diastolic, which is when the heart relaxes or refills. A normal blood pressure is less than 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury. 120 for the systolic, which is the top number, and 80 for the diastolic. An elevated blood pressure is between 120 to 129 millimeters of mercury for the systolic top, and less than 80 millimeters of mercury for the diastolic, which is a down number. A high blood pressure, also called stage 1 hypertension, is between 130 to 139 millimeters of mercury for the systolic and 80 to 89 millimeters of mercury for the diastolic. Stage 2 hypertension is from 140 millimeters of mercury or above for the systolic and 90 millimeters of mercury or above for the diastolic. Hypertensive crisis is from 180 millimeters of mercury or above for the systolic and 120 millimeters of mercury or above for the diastolic. At this point, you want to seek medical intervention immediately. Otherwise, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, why is this important? I will tell you. Because high blood pressure can damage your heart, your brain, and your kidneys. That's why it is called the silent killer. You may not feel symptoms until it is too late. Please take note, okay? Now that you know your numbers, check your blood pressure regularly, eat food that is less in salt, exercise, be active, and manage stress as much as possible. Please take note, your blood pressure is the clearest mirror to know the state of your heart or your heart's health. So take care of it and monitor it well. I dino is a cry of a what? You know the answer. Share to someone that you love. Thank you.